Nahihirapan ka sa physics at ayaw mo rin sa subject na physics. Paano kung sabihin ko sa'yo that physics is life? Yes, physics is life. Ano ba yung physics? Sabi sa pag-aaral, physics is the science that deals with the study of the interaction between matter and energy. Ano ba yung matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass. Ano ba yung energy? Ability to do work. So yung matter, anything that occupies space. It talks about it's either gas, solid, liquid, lahat na nag-occupy ng space, lahat ng may mass. Yung energy, that factor that tends to move that matter is energy. Kaya nga, ability to do work. So just imagine, kung walang interaction, yung energy and matter. Ibig sabihin, everything is at rest. Air is at rest. May food ka pero hindi naman niluluto. Nandyan lang. Hindi ka rin pwedeng mag-move. Wala kang interaction with, hindi ka mag-apply ng energy, hindi ka mag-effort. So, if everything is at rest, walang interaction is equal to zero, therefore, life is impossible. Kaya, physics is life. Yun lang.